Brand new padlocks. No practice on these. We'll see. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Just showing off some of the new locks I bought. Got tired of picking the same old ones. So went out, just picked some off the shelf. So we had some new ones. And we'll have the old ones too. So let's get to it. See how everything turns out. Hey guys, it's Joe from Average Joe Lock Sport. As you can see, it's padlock day. Some new ones, some old ones. Obviously you can tell the difference between the new and the old. So let's just get them in order a little bit. Okay, there's all my new ones. Here's some older ones. And even an old combination lock. And actually I bought a dimple lock by accident. I don't have any dimple picks, but we'll get to that when I get some dimple picks. So, just a bunch of average padlocks. I just figured we'd have padlock day. We can start with this one here. See what we got. Always these damn master locks. And there's one. Took long enough. First master lock. Try for number 2. There's number 2. Let's try the old disc lock. There's number 3. There's number 4. Ooh, this one scares me. Oh, there's number 5. Oh, let's try one of these new ones. Still in the box, key still right there. And there it is. There's number, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's number 5. Well, oh no, number 6. I forgot about that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, there's 6 of them, guys. Opened up in just a couple minutes. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Other than that, thanks for sharing the video with me. Look forward to seeing you on my next video. So long. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.